time. One more time. One more time. We're gonna celebrate. Oh yeah, alright. Don't stop the dancing. One more time. We're gonna celebrate. Oh yeah, alright. Don't stop the dancing. One more time. We're gonna celebrate. Oh yeah, alright. Don't stop the dancing. One more time. We're gonna celebrate. Oh yeah. One more time. One more time, we're gonna celebrate. Oh yeah, alright, don't stop the dancing. One more time, we're gonna celebrate. Oh yeah, stop the dancing. One more time. I'm just feeling celebration tonight. Celebrate, don't wait too late. No, we don't stop. You can't stop. We're gonna celebrate one more time. One more time. One more time. A celebration. Know we're gonna do it right tonight. Hey, just feel it. Music's got me feeling the need. Yeah. Come on.
We can't stop now. Tonight, we're gonna draw the knights from the Kingdom of Friends. From Princess Kai Lan. The special season 2 finale for HAO KAI LAN special.
One more time, music's got me feeling so free. We're gonna celebrate, celebrate and dance so free. One more time, music's got me feeling so free. We're gonna celebrate, celebrate and dance.
Here's the Shogun armor.
One more time, music's got me feeling so free. We're gonna celebrate, celebrate and dance so free. One more time, music's got me feeling so free. We're gonna celebrate, celebrate and dance so free. One more time, got me feeling so free. We're gonna celebrate, celebrate and dance so free.
So far we drew Toli, Ho-Ho, and Rintu. These 3 are the knights for this, for the HAO KAI LAN special. Out of all the specials, this one is my favorite.
One more time, got me feeling so free. We're gonna celebrate, celebrate and dance so free. One more time, this got me feeling so free. We're gonna celebrate, celebrate and dance so free. One more time, this got me feeling so free. We're gonna celebrate, celebrate and dance so free. One more time, this got me feeling so free. We're gonna celebrate, celebrate.
Alexa, play Towards the Sun.
Towards the Sun by Rihanna on Amazon Music. Turn your face towards the sun. Let the shadows fall behind you. Don't look back, just carry on. And the shadows will never find you. Turn your face towards the sun. Let the shadows fall behind you. Don't look back, just carry on. And the shadows will never find you. Lost in the rock and roll.
Only one less thing to draw, and that's his tail. You know that Rin2 plays video games? Yeah, I saw it in a clip, unreleased. And finished. There we are, folks. That's how you draw the knights from Princess Kai Lan. So let me know what characters you want me to draw next. Be sure to like and rock and subscribe to my channel. And let me know what new fighter you want me to draw next. Stegosaurus, see you later. Good night.